YouTubers, how's it going? This is
Parental Issues with Spud and Aaron.
fuck yeah. Basically, everything we'll be doing is from parodies to
Softcore porn, hopefully.
well, maybe there's enough time. We'll see how it goes.
But don't let the name fool you. We will not be discussing, parental issues because we have enough to fuel the world, to be honest.
Yes, we do, Aaron. Yes, we do. But sub to our videos, like our shits on Twitter. We're going to be giving you a bit of everything over the coming years. Hopefully, if we get enough subs. So, sub to us, love us, basically tweet about us, and let's get us trending. Aaron, I love you.
And I love you, my darling.
Thank you. So, sub to our vids. That's us out.
Oh,
Parental...
And by the way, he's Spud, I'm Aaron.
I'm the white one, Spud. He's the black one, Aaron.
Aaron.
Sub to our vids. Let's get this fucking going.